gracias por esta entrevista para Conectar Latam. Y pues bueno, we are going to develop this interview in English. And Red Hat has insisted that the future of artificial intelligence is open source.
Okay.
How do you respond to those who believe closed models offer greater security or enterprise control?
Oh, that's a very interesting question, Carla. I guess in Red Hat, we believe that transparency is the foundation for AI. Imagine, for example, that's a demand that we are seeing in 2026. When the telco wants to build, for example, an AI factory for their clients in the B2B side, in that case, you need transparency, you need auditability, you need control, you need life cycle management. And that's the kind of features that you can only achieve with open source AI. So we provide the telcos the independence of choosing where they want to hold their data and not be tied to proprietary vendors, lock-in or strategy or AI strategy or AI pricing.
What is the real impact that open AI has on our regulated industry, such telecommunication, banking, or government in Latin America?
Oh, especially in telecommunications, we have a big challenge in operational costs, reducing OPEX. That's very important in the telco industry, especially in Latin America, where you have all that pressure to reduce costs. In that sense, I would say that open source artificial intelligence, we can enable the customer to choose between large models, expensive models, or you can use smaller models. For example, if you want to build network automation, artificial intelligence, like we have with SoftBank, the AI Run, where we integrated open source model to their Run orchestrator in order to optimize their infrastructure. So in that sense, open source AI helps the customer and gives them that flexibility to choose between models, between um, um, ways to reduce their operational costs, and that can only be achieved with open source AI.
And now the challenge for the operators and the providers services in the communications market is to use and improve the artificial intelligence in day by day. Which is the strategy and the solutions and how Red Hat can help them to use this new technology in the best way?
Oh, we have several examples that we are announcing this show. For example, this case with SoftBank that we have with artificial intelligence in the RAM. We are seeing also, back to your previous question on operational costs, initiative where you can reduce OPEX in our customers with network automation, with IT automation, intelligent autonomous automation. So that kind of initiative that we are seeing the demand in the market, we can help our customers with.
And how much the companies can save with this technology and solutions?
Oh, we can see, for example, it's we can see, for example, with the Telefonica Brazil case that we are also announcing in the show. a reduction in the timing of scaling their infrastructure from 24 hours to 10 minutes. It's a 99% reduction in this process. We can also see 35% in response time in their workload. So we have some references with artificial intelligence and also with building the foundation for their IT and network and B2B infrastructure that we are achieving a lot of reduction in costs.
What role does Red Hat OpenShift play, and what added value does it offer?
I would say that's a summary of everything that we discussed so far. With OpenShift, we can build that foundation because look, one of the demands and one of the initiative, the trends that we are seeing 2026 is I would say, the era of silos is coming to an end. Uh, and it's starting a new era of building a foundation where you can run your VMs, your containers, your network workloads, your whether it's in the edge or in your data center. Um, in OpenShift, our way of building this infrastructure, right, you can scale and you can automate with some intelligence. So that's the value of OpenShift to our customers. And you can see that again in, for example, in Telefonica in Spain, where they are building a huge infrastructure with OpenShift as a standard.
For 2026, which is the main challenge for telco companies, and how Red Hat could be the right partner?
We are seeing that demand with artificial intelligence, how the telcos can transform themselves to provide artificial intelligence services to their customers and use them internally to reduce operational costs. And we are also seeing this trend of ending the era of silos, building infrastructure, a foundation that allows the telco to scale and to automate their infrastructure also to reduce costs and to bring innovation to their customers.